What's up guys, I am back with another video and this is the makeup look we're going to be doing today. So this look was inspired by this makeup palette and I've been going to Ross a lot more recently and they have such a huge selection of like beauty products there, but I've never ever bought something from Ross until now. So this is the palette I got. I'm not sure how much it was. I think it was $4.99. But it had such pretty colors in it. I love these purple fall colors. There's a mix of shimmery shades and matte shades. And I ended up getting it. So this is the main palette I used on this look today. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then go ahead and stay tuned. Alright guys, so that completes the look. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell to be notified when I upload another video, and also like the video. I'd greatly appreciate it. And I'll see you guys next time. As always, remember to stay bold, beautiful, and blessed.